Hello, New Jersey and Rockland, New York. This is Mike Morley here with our latest update. We've only got a month and a half left in the year. So, important time of the year to look at our numbers. And we just got our latest numbers, which include the numbers from October from the Realogy Advantage Broker Network, the old Cardis Group, and we are doing outstanding. This has been a great year, the best year, I keep saying, since I've been in relocation for the last 9 years. We are at 38 points, which is simply fantastic. 38 out of a goal to make platinum of 31, so we're 7 above. So the things that we need to concentrate on for between now and the end of the year are two main things, and that's our conversion on the Affinity home finding side. So if you're on the Affinity team and you work with the buyers, please don't leave any notes between now and the end of the year or any updates between now and the end of the year that state that we cannot reach or that members not responding to you. What that will do is that will close out that file immediately in the Cardis system and count against our conversion. And that's where we can lose points between now and the end of the year. We can also gain some points and put ourselves into the spot where we can be amongst the top brokers in the entire country. So we're doing that well this year. Also, concentrate on your accuracy on your BMAs. If you're on the corporate team and you have a listing and you're doing those BMAs, I know this is a challenging market. Properties are selling over asking price, but we want to be as accurate as possible on those BMAs. We're really close to picking up a couple extra points there or dropping a couple extra points. It depends on which way that it goes. So those are the two things, but really outstanding year. Again, we are going down to that home stretch in a really strong position. I am so excited. We didn't make platinum in the last 2 years, and we are really in good shape to earn it this year. So thank you for all that you do. I hope everybody's doing well and has a fantastic Thanksgiving. Again, if you need anything, just reach out to me. Have a good one.